Hi, today I want to share with you a recipe that's going to taste good, it's going to look beautiful served on your holiday table, and it's part of our Passover recipes because it has one of the key cruciferous vegetables. Today we're going to make a Brussels sprouts salad. So I've already cooked up the Brussels sprouts. I shared this on a different video on how to purchase Brussels sprouts, how to get them ready for your recipes, to destem them and to cut them in half and saute them. And they are ready to go. They've cooled off. They're going to taste perfect. So I'm just going to go ahead and put them in our bowl here. Now the next ingredient is cranberries. What I did as a secret tip, just for you because you're watching, is make these cranberries taste better than normal. As you can see, here they are. And I have soaked them, or you could say rehydrated them, in some pomegranate juice. Make the pomegranate juice really hot. Put your cranberries in, let them sit for 30 minutes minimum, even up to an hour, or maybe even the day before. It's quite all right. Now I'm going to strain the juice off of my cranberries because that juice is still good. Okay, so let me go ahead and add my cranberries into the salad. Now you may be saying, why did you do that, Annette? Well, it's simple. Because I want the cranberries to taste even more scrumptious. I want them to taste more delicious. They're going to be more sweet because soaking them in a fruit juice helps them to plump up. They're going to be easier to chew. They're just going to taste amazingly better. So that's why I've done that. It just makes the salad a lot more delectable and your family will enjoy the difference. To that, we're going to be adding some pecans. We'll add that to the dish. And then our dressing is going to be some balsamic vinegar with honey, 1 tablespoon of each. Put that on. And then we're just going to stir that up. And that's fine as it is, but we could really make it even more special by topping it off with some feta cheese. This is just the perfect salad just to have any Sunday, any day of the week. It will taste good whether it's warm, whether it's cold. It will always be delicious. And then we can just serve that up here in this bowl. And we have a very healthy cruciferous, because Brussels sprouts are cruciferous, and you know through all of my teachings in the books and the videos, I am all about cruciferous. If you remember why I want you to eat cruciferous and why they're so special to the Christian, please leave your comments down below. I look forward to see how many people get this right quickly. So there we have it, a delicious serving of the Brussels sprouts salad. And you could check the other videos on how I did the cranberries, how I did the Brussels sprouts. There's just a lot of teaching here on thebiblicalnutritionist.com because I'm on mission to keep you on mission. And as you subscribe to these videos, as you look to our website, thebiblicalnutritionist.com, there is a lot of good teaching going on and a lot of really good food. So share this with your friends, like it. Let us know, why are Brussels sprouts so good for you? Annette Reeder, the Biblical Nutritionist.